Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the do statement available in the C program. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic do statement. This is a one type of decision making and looping statement. Decision making and looping means after taking the decision it is executed again and again. Looping means executed again and again, right? Taking the decision and looping. There are three type of looping statement available: while statement, do statement and for statement, right? So in this video we'll see the do statement, right? What is the given syntax? Do, open the brace, body of the loop, then close the brace. So initially we are saying do this process. After executing the body of the loop, we are checking the condition, while test condition, right? So minimum one time it will execute the body of the loop, set of statement. But in case of while loop, initially it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then only it will execute the statement. But here this condition is whether condition is true or not, minimum one time the body of the loop will be executed. That is set of statement available between the braces. Thereafter it will check the condition. If the condition is true, again it will repeat. Until the condition is false, it will repeat the process. So this is called a exit level control, right? At the exit only we are checking the condition, but while loop is the entry level control, right? Now we'll see the description. On reaching the do statement, the program proceeds to evaluate the body of the loop first. Without checking any condition, the body of the loop is executed. At the end of the loop, the test condition in the while statement is evaluated. After executing the body of the loop only, the test condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, the program continue to evaluate the body of the loop again. If the condition is true, it is executed. This process continues as long as the condition is true. Until the condition is true, it is repeated. If the condition is false, then only it will stop the process. Now we'll see the example program for this do statement. It is a exit level statement. We'll see the example program. We'll see the two example program. The first program to print the sum of first 5 natural numbers using while loop. Then we'll go to the do while loop, so that we are able to understand what will happen in the while loop and what will happen in the do while loop, right? So the sum of the first natural number, that is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Need to add the 5 numbers using while loop. First include the header files. Include stdio.h, include conio.h, standard io.header file, conio in io.header file, right? Then start the main program, void main, open the brace. Then declare the variable integer sum equal to 0. This sum of the series we are going to add in this variable sum. In order to generate the number, we have one variable I, that is initially it is 1, I equal to 1, right? So this is the answer. We are going to store the value in this variable sum. This is the variable to generate the numbers. So our aim is to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 5. It is clearly given in the program, right? So that we started with I equal to 0, right? After clear screen, we can open the for loop, open the while loop. While I less than or equal to 5. We already discussed do while loop means, do means without, first we'll do the process, then only we'll check. But here in the while loop, initially we are checking the condition. Initially we are checking the condition while I less than or equal to 5. If it is correct, then only it will start the process, right? So because in the program itself it is given natural number sum up to 5 numbers, that's why less than or equal to 5. So this condition is true. Initially I is nothing, I value is 1 only. The sum is 0. Initially the I value is 1 and sum is 0. So the condition is correct. What will happen? Sum equal to sum plus I. Sum is 0, then I is 1. So 0 plus 1, it become 1. Now the sum value become 1 because sum and I is added and that is stored in the sum itself, right? So that as 0 plus 1, it become 1. Now the sum value is 1. Then what we are doing, I plus plus, we are incrementing the value. What happened, I plus plus mean I equal to 1, I plus plus mean it become 2, right? Now the I value is 2, sum is 1. Again it will check the condition, I less than or equal to 5 is less than only, because I is 2 only. Again it will execute the statement, sum equal to sum plus I. What is the sum value? Sum value is 1, I value is 2, right? So 1 plus 2, now it become 3, the sum value become 3, right? Again it is incremented, I value is incremented, so 2 plus 1, 3, the I value become 3. After that again it will check the condition, I less than or equal to 5 is correct only, because I value is only 3 less than or equal to 5. So again it will execute the statement, sum equal to sum plus I. What is the sum value? 3, I value also 3, so that 3 plus 3 it become 6, right? Now the value is 6. Then it is incremented to 4, right? Again it will check the condition, now the sum value is 6, right? Again the condition is true only, I is less than or equal to 5, so that it will execute this process. 6 plus 4 equal to 10, so the now sum become 10. Again I is incremented 5, right? Again it will execute the statement, 10 plus 5, 15. Now the sum become 15. Thus I is incremented, it become 6. Now see the condition, I less than or equal to 5. Now the I is 6, 6 less than or equal to 5. So this condition is false. So that it will stop this process. It will stop this process, right? So the final answer what we got, it is 15. Final answer is 15, right? So at this 6, the value is, the process is stopped, right? So print of the sum of the first 5 natural number is the sum available here. So 15 is printed here, right? So it is a entry level. Initially we are checking the condition. So after get Cgage, we can close the program. What is the output we'll get? The sum of first 5 natural number is 15. So what we are printed is available in the output statement. Now we'll say the same program using do while statement. Now we'll see the same program to find sum of first numbers, natural numbers using do while statement. Same program with do while statement. So first include the header files, stdio, conio.io, standard input output, console input output. Start the main program. Here also same, sum equal to 0, I equal to 1. What we need to do? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is nothing but is 15. We need to get the answer 15. So after clear screen, we can start the do loop, right? We are starting the do loop. So we are doing do. So we are asked to do this process, right? So in the previous case, while initially we check the condition, that's called entry level. Now we are not checking any condition. First we are asked to do this process. After that only we are checking this condition. That's called a exit level control, right? What we are doing, sum equal to sum plus I, right? What is I value? What is sum value? Initially I value is 1. We declare I value is 1, sum value is 0, right? So sum equal to sum plus 1 means it is 0 plus 1, it become 1, right? Now the sum value is become 1. The sum value is 1. After that only it is incremented. Again the I value is incremented. I is 1 mean 1, I plus plus mean it become 2. Thereafter it will check the condition. I is less than or equal to 5. It is less than. I is 2 only. So 2 less than or equal to 5. This condition is true. After executing one time only, it is condition is verified. But in previous case, while loop, initially we verified the condition. Thereafter only it is executed. Now the condition is true, so the same statement is repeated, right? So sum equal to sum plus I. Sum is 1, I is 2, so it become 3. Now sum become 3. So the I is incremented 3. This condition is true. So 3 plus 3, it become 6. Now the sum become 6, right? The I is incremented to 4. So this condition also true. So 6 plus 4, 10. the sum become now 10. I is incremented to 5. Sum equal to sum plus I equal to 15. So then now sum become 15. So I is incremented 6. See this, now condition is false. I less than or equal to 5. I should be less than or equal to 5, but it is greater than 5. It becomes 6. So it will stop the process. So finally what is available in the sum is 15. That is our required answer. This is our required answer. So we got sum one by one, we add the value, finally we got the final value as 15. Right? Now we can print this value. Now this loop is completed, loop is terminated because of false condition. Then we can print this. Print of sum of the first 5 natural number is the answer available in the sum. So it is printed. Right. So the sample output, sum of first 5 natural number is 15. We got this answer as a output. So in this program, in this video, we discussed what is the while statement. What is the while statement? How it is differ from do while statement. Right? It is differ from while statement. Right? While statement is entry level checking. Do statement means exit level checking. For both the case, we discuss the sum of first 5 natural numbers using while loop as well as do while loop. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.